Sorry, just blocked out, but as Lancy here, if you've seen her in the last YouTube video, well, I'm gonna leave you guys off for 1 second. I just gotta talk to my mom. She's calling me. I'm back. And as you can see, this hairball. We don't really want to show them into their vlogs, but what do you say? Okay, I think she wants some chocolate milk. Hold on. And if you want to see me make the birds food, here's me making the birds food. If you don't like birds, now is the time to leave because now I'm showing my birds food. So if you ever get a bird like this, don't use a plain cap. Use a bacteria cap. And then get some of this. If you don't know what it is, it's chocolate milk. So it's easy for a bird. I'm climbing up to get my so I'm getting my bird's dish. Bum bum bum. Bum 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 bum. There's a little dish. There's her little dish. I know. You're gonna be getting chocolate milk. Hold on, guys. Hey, be a good girl. Okay, you can get your chocolate milk in a second. You take its jaw. And you need to hold your thumb over it, put it in the chocolate milk, put the straw over the chocolate milk, put your thumb over it, take it out, tip it over, take your thumb off, and if your thumb's on it, it doesn't spill. So take your thumb off and it will spill into the cap. This is my bird's Specta's Jink, and she always gets it like once in a while, or every 2 minutes. We'll get yours in a second. No, get it in a second. Now it's all ready, or you can just scoop the bird's food out. Hey, step up. Now I'll be taking on you guys onto a short run. She's getting a milk.
You can't climb up with that.
She's having a milk. Mama, chocolate milk. And again, he's still sleeping. Darling, please go to bed. on the treetop. They're just now going on to no. And Mommy, come on. Wait. You guys don't like birds. Now it's the time to shut off. Here's my finch, Jim. The other one's died, which is really sad, but this is the only one that's left, Jim. And hello. He will try to bite me if I try and touch him. Yeah, he will try to bite me. He's Fred, and that's Jim. Now moving on. If many of you haven't heard about this, but